Alright guys, welcome to the very first episode here on ATC, Adrielle Traders Circle. If this is your first time watching, thank you for being here. This channel is where I'll break down trading concept in the most simple, structured and practical way, especially for those who want to understand the market instead of just blindly following signals. Alright, so today we're starting from the absolute foundation of my system, the basic of SNRV Technique. Before we go deeper into structure, liquidity, entries or psychology, you need to understand this core concept first. Alright, so because everything else connect back to SNRV, so take your time, absorb explanation and follow step by step. This first video is meant to set the base for the whole journey we're about to go through together. Alright guys, so let's start the basic. So this is technique is not that complicated if you're used to it, okay? To this technique, if you are not, then it might be a little bit of complicated. Alright, just a little bit only. Alright, not a lot, but it's easy to understand, to digest. Okay, so first of all, this technique called as supply and demand, or known as SND. First, we do have DBR. DBR means base ring.
Sorry. Drop base rally, okay?
So, number 2 is we have RBD. Okay, what is RBD? RBD means rally base drop. Okay, the third one we do have RBR, which is rally base rally. And then the last one is DBD, which is drop base drop. Alright, okay, so all clear. So right now for DBR is for support, and then we have RBD is for resistance, and RBR is for support, and we have resistance, and also known as demand, and this one known as supply and demand, and the other one is supply. For support, which is drop base rally, the pattern will be exactly like this. We have drop candle, and then we have another drop just like this. Okay, and then we do have rally candle like this, and we're gonna have another rally just like this. Okay, so if you see in your chart, okay, you can apply this technique in whatever time frame you want to use, okay, even in M1. So in order for you to identify drop base rally, okay, this will be your drop candle, this will be base and rally, and this one rally. Okay, but for me to easy understand about this theory, right, I'm gonna use this method, which is 3 candle and 1 candle. Second candle is for base, okay, which is this two. Okay, this two is basically my 1 candle. That is my understanding, okay, because of this. This is basically engulfing. It's either bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing. This is drop, this is base. Third candle will be your rally candle. Must be rally candle. Okay, if this candle is drop, which is bearish candle, then it will be bullish engulfing only. It won't be drop base rally. Okay, it will be bullish engulfing because got base here. But if you want to trade using drop base rally, the third candle must have rally candle. If base candle cannot, must be rally. Okay, and then we have rally base drop. So this candle is basically rally, and then base like this, and then we have drop candle. For rally base drop, which is your resistance, okay, first candle must have rally, second candle must have base, and which is these two candle must have base. Okay, and your third candle, this one must be drop. If this one rally, then you cannot use as rally base drop, okay, because we call it as bearish engulfing, right? This one is bullish engulfing, right? So the way how you mark the zone is up to you, okay? The way how you mark this zone, right, for support, you can mark the whole candle, up to you, okay? Or you can mark the body and the lower shadow only, or you can mark the shadow only, like this one. So about RBR, really base rally, or also known as support or demand, okay? For really base rally, okay, it will be like this. So this is rally candle, and this is base candle, which is like this, and then it will be like this. The next one, it will be like this. So this will be your bullish engulfing, alright? So the shadow will be like this. This is what we call rally base rally. So the first one, you must have rally candle. The second, you must have base, which is these two candle, okay, and then you must have rally. So the last one, we have drop base drop, which is resistant. Drop base drop, same as rally base rally, it's just different. Yeah, first one, then we have candle like this, and then base, and then the next one will be drop like this, drop candle like this, and then shadow will be here like this, okay, and this will be bullish engulfing, right? So drop base drop, what is drop base drop? Drop base drop must have, what makes my signals different? They are guided by strategy, explained with mapping, and supported with education. No blind entries, just clarify. Join today and see quality yourself. Drop candle, and then we have base here for these two candle, and then we have drop candle, okay? So first, in order for you to identify drop base drop, you must have drop candle. The second one must have base, which is bearish engulfing, and second and third candle, okay? So next one must be drop, then only you can identify this one as drop base drop. So this is all the technique that I use in my daily training. I'm going to go to H4 to see more clear. This is an example, okay? So first rule, you must have drop candle, right, which is this candle, okay? And then we must have bullish engulfing, which is base, okay? You guys remember, these two is a base, okay, must be engulfing, okay? If these two not engulfing, then it cannot be drop base really, okay? It must be engulfing, okay, bullish engulfing, alright? So, and then the next candle must be what? Rally candle. So there you have drop base rally. You got drop, you got base, and you got rally. And then we do have drop candle, base candle, and rally candle. So your mark will be like this, okay? How you marking zone. Now the price didn't even fit here, but it's quite big, okay? Around 60 pips, and the reward give you around 200 pips. So your risk is basically around 80 pips. Your risk, okay, but your profit will be 240 pips, okay? That will be your profit. So in time frame, the time frame you want to use to enter anything, okay? Any time frame.
It's the M1, F5, F15, 30, H1, H4, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly.
If you want to use it to entry any time frame, okay? But if I want to do one marking, I prefer M15 and above, okay? Okay, moving on to our rally base drop, okay? You must have rally candle, which is this one, okay? This long S candle, and then this two candle, which is your base, okay, if you remember. And then the next candle must be drop candle, this one. So you have rally, base, which is bearish engulfing, and then you must have drop candle. If this one is bullish, then it cannot be rally base drop, okay? You cannot call this one rally, this one base, this one drop, okay? Cannot. Must be 4 candles. Rally, base, drop, okay? Then only rally base drop. So let's see if the price hit this area or not. Okay, yeah, see, it did react this area. Okay, you see the zone is about 60 pips and your profit 150 pips. So for me, it's kind of good because if you do scalping, this area you get 130 pips, and this area you will get around 100 pips. Yeah, so around 230 pips, somewhere there. So this is how you do scalping. Okay, so if the price enter this area, right, the price enter this area, either you want to wait for confirmation or not. Okay, it's totally up to you. Okay, because if you do wait for confirmation, because at this area we have a rally base drop. Rally base and drop basically is our resistance candle. Okay, am I right? So when the price enter this area, if let's say you want to wait for confirmation, because this area is quite big, right? So the price enter like this, break, which is your support. Okay, break your support in lower time frame, right? And then price return back or retrace or pull back, whatever you call it, up to you, and then you do entry again. So you will get around 100 pips, because from it, if you entry from this area, you will get around 130 pips. But if you do second entry here, you will get around 100 pips. So in total you will get around 230. You can use this area because this area you have rally candle, base candle, and you have drop candle. So if you want to do marking, you can do marking like this. In this case, we don't have lower shadow, so you can mark like this. Alright. Okay, let's see if the price hit this area or not. Yep, the price did hit this area for several times. Let's use only if you're scared, maximum 2 times. Alright. And then for rally, base rally, you go to H4. Okay, example like this. Okay, let's say you must have rally candle. Okay, and then you must have base candle, which is these two candle, and then you must have rally candle, which is this one, right? So this is really base rally. Let's see if the price can enter this area. So this one will be rally base rally, and the next one will be your drop base drop. I'm going to teach you example which is drop base drop. Okay, so when the price enter the zone, you can do multiple entry. Okay, if let's say the price enter 2 times, the first one, second one, the third one price enter, I suggest to avoid. Okay, maximum is 2, but if you still want to do entry, up to you. Okay, your money. And that's the full breakdown of the basic SNRV technique. I hope this first lesson gives you a clearer foundation to understand how the market moves and why certain area matters. Take your time to review what you have learned today, because everything we will cover in the next episode. It's just the beginning, guys, so we're going to be deeper into structure, liquidity, real analysis, step by step. So thank you for watching, thank you for learning together with ATC team. Alright, so I see you in the next video, and ATC pew pew.